Hi, everybody. I'm Steve Winter from Nat Geo. I've done countless workshops in the field, but this is my first ever online workshop, sharing my knowledge from 25 years as a National Geographic magazine photographer. Come hear the stories behind my most famous images. I'll do a deep dive into the stories behind the images and the photographic techniques that I use, the magic that happens by spending long hours in the field working on your project. We'll take apart the images compositionally, lighting, filling the frame, and discuss photo tips and techniques behind the images and how they fit within the story. One of the most important aspects of my work is to create stories that have impact, that bring about change and give people a reason to care for the future of the species, the ecosystem, or the subject that I'm covering. And I'll share my experience to better help you tell the story you want to do. We'll talk about how to edit your images each night in the field or at home so you can see things that you may want to change so you can make better images tomorrow or in the future. Because editing helps you to find images that stand out, that move the viewer with the all-important emotional connection and pull us into the frame and help us empathize with your subject. If anybody has seen my On the Trail of Big Cats talk, you know that I love questions and we'll have plenty of time for questions and discussions. Our second day will be devoted to feedback on your photographs with portfolio reviews. I really look forward to this opportunity to share my life as a National Geographic magazine photographer, and I hope you will join me. Thanks very much. See you soon.